Hello, and welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your ultimate destination for language learning and vocabulary building. Today, we are going to explore the word insidiously. What does insidiously mean in English? Insidiously is an adverb that describes something that proceeds in a gradual, subtle way, but with harmful effects. It often implies a sinister or treacherous element. Insidiously means causing harm in a stealthy, often unnoticed manner, making it a powerful word in both writing and speech. Let's dive into some synonyms for insidiously. These include stealthily, slyly, cunningly, treacherously, and deceptively. Each synonym adds a unique nuance to the meaning, helping you to convey your message more precisely. For example, you might say, the disease spread insidiously through the population, or the villain insidiously plotted his next move. Using synonyms like slyly or cunningly can provide different shades of meaning depending on the context. That wraps up our exploration of the word insidiously. Remember, expanding your vocabulary not only enhances your communication skills but also enriches your understanding of the language. Stay tuned to Thesaurus Thrive for more word explorations.